Hello guys, today we are going to unbox Derma roller which I bought from Flipkart. The price of this Derma roller is 309 rupees. So it got delivered yesterday. So let's check what in this box and how the Derma roller looks like. So we have got this outer box and this Derma roller is from Costec company and it has 540 needles and 0.5 mm thick needles. So Derma roller is useful for anti-aging skin and regeneration of skin tightening and collagen stimulation therapy. It is used and it is basically very helpful for hair growth. So we'll look inside how this Derma roller looks.